have to hit start raffle and pick a winner. Pick a random winner.
All right, so here we go.
Hey everybody, Kevin here from HumboldtCraftworks. It is Pick a Winner Day, so I've waited almost a month. That's long enough. What I've done now is I'm going to break it down to I'm 1 in 1,000 because everything is written differently, and I've tried this before with the Super Picker 5000 or whatever the hell it is. If you don't write it in just right, it doesn't work. So for all of you who've played along and want to win this End Grain Butcher Block, I actually have to put in your names one by one until they're all in there. I think there's only like 15 or 16 people that actually did this out of like 80. So you have a 1 in 15 or 16 chance of winning. So I'm going to set this up. I'm going to write all your names in there, and we're going to push the button. Give me a minute so I can actually do this, and we'll see who wins. All right. Okay, I've done all that. I've put it all in there, and now I just have to hit start raffle and pick a winner. Pick a random winner. All right, so here we go. Oh boy, and start. And you can see they're all going through there, and boom, boom, boom. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Cat! Cat Champ, you're a wiener!
Yay!
Wow, cool. Well, there you go, everybody. Thanks for playing. Thanks for subscribing. And Cat Champ, you're a winner. All right, Cat, so what you have to do is you have to go over here onto my channel and hit About. All right, and down here you'll see my, right there, view email address. And email me, and we'll send it to you. All right, everybody. Well, thanks for playing. Thanks for subscribing. I really appreciate it. There'll be more videos coming out soon. I'm just super swamped this time of year. It's Christmas, and I'm trying to get everything done as fast as possible so I can have a couple days off. Well, thanks for playing. Congratulations, Cat. We'll see you next time right here on Woodworking with Mr. Kevin. That's me. And you guys have a wonderful Christmas, Kwanzaa, or whatever else you celebrate, and a Happy New Year. And we'll see you soon. Onwards and upwards.
Subscribe now.